From missed hearings to mixed up court dates, from lawyers joking with the judge to cases getting dismissed on the spot. This entire courtroom session turned into a roller coaster. One wrong date, one missing defendant, one impatient judge, and suddenly every case was hanging by a thread.
Court does call the case of the people versus Philip Carson.
Absalom for the people.
Senator Jones, I'm on behalf of Mr. Carson, who is present. State your name, Philip.
Philip Carson. Thank you.
Your Honor, if you want, I have documentation that I provided to the people about Mr. Carson's journey that I represented the last time from University of Michigan Psychiatric Services to Hillsdale, then back. He did get his GPS tether put right back on as soon as he got released, and he's back engaged with CMH. I provided that to the people. If the court wants it, I can provide it.
I don't think I need to.
Thank you. And then regarding today's PCC, we're asking the matter be set for a preliminary exam.
All right. And discovery is complete.
Yes, Your Honor.
And would the people have their witnesses available the 13th?
We can try now.
What's the next available, Your Honor? Could we possibly do the 20th?
I can do the 20th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Any objection from the people?
Oh, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, May 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. That will be before Judge Perry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continued. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, sir. Let's call the case of people, state of Michigan versus, is it WeTech?
WeTech Inc., Your Honor.
Inc. Yes, okay.
Andrew Childers appearing on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Joe Simon, half of Mr. Ng. Mr. Ng, will you unmute and state your name?
We take
Okay. All right. Got it.
Mr. Childers?
Your Honor, at this time, people would be moving to dismiss this case without prejudice.
I'm assuming there's no objection.
No objection.
All right. This case is dismissed without prejudice. All right. Thank you. Court calls the case, people versus Alan Payne.
Absalom for the people.
Your Honor, Joe Simon, on behalf of Mr. Payne, making his way to the podium. State your name, Alan. Alan Payne?
Thank you. You're looking for an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor. I made a proposal to Ms. Londy, who's going to talk it over with her supervisor and come to a decision, we hope, on the next court date.
May 22nd. Will that work?
Fine with me, Your Honor. Thank you.
Yes.
May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond will continue.
Go home.
Continuing with the Joe Simon Show, court does call the case. People versus Michael Sandusky.
Alexander, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Joe Simon, on behalf of Mr. Sandusky. Mr. Sandusky, when you approach the podium, please state your name.
Michael Sandusky.
All right, what are we doing on this one?
Asking for an exam, Your Honor. If we could have that same date, I don't think that other matter will actually go to.
Did he just do that? Did he just do that? He did, didn't he? Oh, yeah, that. I forgot. I'm in his world now. Discovery is complete.
Yes, Your Honor.
In Your Honor, I just want to say I did request the 911 call yesterday, so it should be here.
Okay.
by the date.
All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set May 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Barr. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And moving on to the next assignment. Court does call the case, people versus Deshaun Tompkins.
Special on
Joe Simon, on behalf of Mr. Tompkins, go ahead and state your name.
Sean Tompkins.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, in this case, I presented a proposal to Ms. Lundy that she is investigating the things that I represented. And if she, I'll let her tell you how much time she needs for the next
Will
day.
Will the,
whatever
tw-
works for the court.
will the 22nd work?
That's fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is
Okay. Let's do it.
that it for you, Mr. Simon, finally? I mean,
Yes, Your Honor.
uh,
Thank you, Your Honor.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Court calls the case of the People versus Angelica Towers.
And send on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Edward Drucas on behalf of Angelica Towers.
Angelica Towers.
Thank you.
I'm looking to obtain the discovery in this case. I'd be asking for an adjournment.
Okay, probable cause conference, May 15th, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the cases of the People versus Matthew Fitzgerald. Two cases.
Special on for the people of both matters.
Hey, Judge.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Robert Ellman on behalf of Mr. Fitzgerald.
Commercial Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, also on behalf of Mr. Fitzgerald, on file number ending 507.
Your Honor, Mr. Fitzgerald is not here. However,
Really?
there is a good reason for that,
Oh,
and I'd love to share that with you.
okay. Go ahead.
So Mr. Fitzgerald has a case in Livonia, and as you recall, due to a bond violation, you placed him in custody. During that time while he was in custody,
I
he
did.
had, yeah, I'm just trying to make the record clear.
That
Your-
sounded accusatory, but go.
No. I'm not accusing you of anything. Your Honor.
no, I get thick skin. Go ahead, Mr. O.
Well, while he was in custody, he was scheduled for his sentencing in Livonia, which he then missed. So they issued a warrant. He turned himself in on that warrant, and they did immediate sentencing, and he is currently in custody because they sentenced him to 10 days in jail. So that is why he is not here.
So, did you hear Elman's whole story? So Elman's whole story is, Judge, you tipped the first domino.
No, Your Honor.
That started this whole thing on the. Yes, that's exactly what you were saying.
I-
That's why Feaster is standing awake.
Well, Your Honor, he is in custody, and
Feaster
so
has
therefore
come
he's
nowhere
not
near the
here.
podium. Feaster like looked at you like, go ahead, you say it, man.
Have I mentioned how good it is to see you again, Your Honor?
Probably should have led with that. All right. So you're seeking an adjournment.
If the court would be so kind.
Well, Mr. Feaster, are you seeking an adjournment?
Yes, please.
Then that I'll grant. All right. Probable cause conference on both of these cases, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor. 22nd.
Feaster smart. Feaster said, I am not kidding. Court calls the case, People versus William Phillips.
And send on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor.
Oh, no, he's back.
Again, always great to see you. Robert Ellman with and on behalf of Mr. Phillips. Mr. Phillips, can you please state your name for the record?
William Phillips.
Mr. Phillips is like, I'm not with him. No, go ahead. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I was just appointed on this matter. I would be asking for an adjournment for time to get discovery. However, I'd also like to address bond whenever you would like to hear that from me.
Like to hear that. I'll adjourn this to May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. Yes, that's the bond, Mr. O.
Thank you, Your Honor. I would be requesting a change in the bond order to a no non-consensual contact. It's my understanding that the complaining witness in this matter has shared that request with the victim's advocate's office. And again, as you know, that would put the ball in her court as to whether to have contact with Mr. Phillips or not. So that's what we'd be requesting.
Okay.
I would also state that when did she do?
June 8th.
She's pregnant and due June 8th, and they do, how many other kids? Two?
Two.
They have 2 other children at home, so.
Your Honor, at this point, I would object. She did mention that to our victim advocate, and that was not, however, I just have concerns given the facts in this case and that strangulation. I think it's something that should be addressed at exam, or potentially in the future, but I don't believe it's appropriate to change that, provision at this point.
And if I could just add, Your Honor, this is, an older case, so they've been, to my knowledge, prior to the charges being filed, successfully cohabitating since the date of offense without any issues.
All right. I am disinclined to change that. I typically want to hear myself from anyone wishing to change the bond, even though they may communicate it. I then want to hear the people's sort of feelings on that, but I would need to hear from the individual themselves.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so motion for bond reduction at this time is denied.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're all set. Thanks.
And that's it for me, Your Honor. You don't have to deal with me anymore today.
Okay, so apparently on my face, it looked like I cared. No, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was so wrong, Mr. Elman. Thank you, Mr. Elman. Always a pleasure, sir. I know that was. I feel bad now. What? Take it back. Court calls the case, People State of Michigan versus Michael Williams.
People.
You're standing against the wall.
Yep.
Oh, was it? Take care, Mr. Elman.
You too, Your Honor.
You something, Your Honor?
Pardon?
Figured I could get away with a little, just a little bit. Here.
Said pick on me today.
Oh, no, that wasn't.
Go ahead. I called it.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, or good afternoon, may it please the honorable court. David Burgess on behalf of Mike William.
In today's courtroom, nothing went according to script. Lawyers rushed in with excuses. Defendants appeared late, and one attorney even picked the wrong date off the wrong courtroom door. The judge, half amused, half frustrated, watched a parade of cases, missed hearings, dismissed charges, bond arguments, and defendants calling in from jail after unexpected sentencings in other cities. At one point, the judge joked, "Is there a sign on the door that says, 'Pick your own date?'" And the entire room froze. But underneath the humor was a clear message. Every decision, every delay, every mistake changes a case instantly. Because in this courtroom, one sentence from the judge can turn everything around.
William or Williams? Williams. Okay, they said William in the thing. Mr. Williams, Your
You
Honor.
guys are close, I take it.
Yes.
All right.
Judge, I'll get on the record, but I just got this case yesterday. So
Okay, very good. So you're looking, I need a green sheet, but you're looking to,
I'll fill one out, Your Honor, but I'm looking for an adjournment, and the next available date I have is the 22nd of May, if that's okay with the court. I know it's a little farther out, but
so who said, is there a sign on the door that says, go and pick your own date?
it's on the other courtroom.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah,
You thought it was here.
I'm sorry, I must have read the wrong door. So.
Yeah, you must have. May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond in this matter will continue.
Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I'll fill out a sheet. I'll meet you. Okay. Just hang-
Court calls the case, People versus Jalen Kendrick.
Ellen, on behalf of the people, your honors. Senator Kevin others on behalf of Mr. Kendrick.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we are going to be setting this matter for preliminary examination.
All discovery is complete?
We have all video discovery and all paper discovery. There is a 911 call, but we don't believe that that is essential, and we don't need that to continue with preliminary examination.
All right. So there will not be an adjournment for that purpose. Would the people have their witnesses available on the 13th?
We'll do our best.
Preliminary examination, May 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before me. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Court does call the case, People versus Anishika King.
Rachel McDuffie for the people.
I mean,
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Ms. King, who's approaching now. King, can you sit into the record?
Anishka King.
Your Honor, there is some video discovery that we are waiting to receive. We're asking for an adjournment for that purpose.
Matters adjourned May 15th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond in this matter will continue.
Your Honor, if I may briefly address. Your Honor, I brought to the court's attention last time, and I believe the people didn't take a position regarding Ms. King is asking the court to consider being placed on a sober link rather than a scram tether due to some medical issues that she has. The court, we were informed when we were here by Ms. McDuffie that she had an outstanding warrant in the 36th district, and the court said that they would consider it if she was able to have that warrant recalled. She has been in the process of taking care of her matters in 36th district. It appears that she's set for court on the 6th and the 7th of next week for arraignments.
On the 36th district court matter.
Yes, but I will be clear to the court, the paperwork I have doesn't appear to be the one that Ms. McDuffie brought to my attention, but it's before the same judge, Judge Kennedy. And so I'm hopeful that when she appears on that, they can handle the other matter. I just don't have paperwork of the one that she was hoping to get resolved. I don't have confirmation of that matter, but she is set next week for 2 different arraignments.
And you're just looking for a sober link as opposed to
the scram. But she is attempting to attend to all the matters and make sure that she complies with all bond conditions. And my understanding, she has not had any issues regarding bond at this point.
any position from the people.
Your Honor, no, I know that the court's concern was the fact that that case was a high BAC matter. So I did provide Ms. Apple, I think she can share with her client the actual ROA from that case, unless she can call with the exact case number. I will be able to verify it as soon as it happens, because I can look it up and see that has changed. So I'll leave it again to the court.
All right. But she went down to take care of matters at 36. It's clear.
It's clear that she has made progress, yes, and is set for 2 different arraignments next week. And I will give her the ROI to take with her with the new date when she goes on Tuesday or Wednesday, the 7th, to make sure that that also gets resolved if that is missing in some way.
Okay, well, she's headed in the right direction. I'm going to grant the motion for the change. I'll allow defendant to be switched to a sober link.
Thank you.
Twice, but it's 3 blows per day.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hang tight for me because I'm going to print that paperwork for you. Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Latrice Lee.
National Money for the People.
Afternoon, Judge Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Ms. Lee, who's approaching. Excuse me. Your Honor, may we approach briefly?
Sure.
Thank you.
I mean, yes.